Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a platform. It's called Repill.com. This is not a sponsored video. I came to know about this platform when I was scrolling through Instagram. I saw a video about its founder who left his job in US and started this in India. So that is when I went and checked into this. So I see that the market for this is improving in India. So if you see companies like Zepto, Swiggy Mart, they are able to sell their grocery products within 10 minutes and they deliver within 10 minutes. So actually, if you look at it and think about it, medicines are the ones that we need immediately. So there is a big gap in the medicine market space. So these Zepto, Swiggy, they cannot deliver medicine. They don't have license for that. So that is where I see this gap will be filled properly by companies like Repill. So what they does is that they provide you an AI-powered app. They partner with the local pharmacies to deliver your prescriptions right to your doorstep, saving you time and hassle, and your health is simplified. So you can go to this app from the Play Store and from the App Store. So when you go here, you can see it is available in Play Store. So this is quite new, as you can see, and people have left very good reviews. So medicine at doorstep on time. So this is something I think will quickly blow up because there is a need for such products. I think it's not available in all the cities right now, but it is quite promising. So they also have it in App Store. So this is the app. So this is something which has been started by someone who has left India and who was working there in US, and they left the job and came back in India to start something new. That's what I came to know about it. So this is the values that they have. How does Repill work? So you upload a prescription. If you have a prescription, simply take a photo or upload a digital copy. Then search for products, you track your order, receive your order. So I know there are platforms like Netmeds who does that, but the main difference is that they don't provide you within 10 minutes. They take their own time. So that is where these people are making difference. So this is not only for people who are looking for medicine. So if you want to become a delivery partner, they are giving jobs to them also. So they are currently working in the crowded space of food delivery. So instead, they can install the deliver partner app and they can provide medicines. They can deliver the medicines. So this is the place they can come and download the app and register for as a delivery partner. So they say that they give competitive salary to them. And you can also be a pharmacy partner where you can go and register your pharmacy and you will receive orders there. So this is the pharmacy partner. So if you know a pharmacy or if you own a pharmacy, you can come and register there. Then you will be added to their network of pharmacies. Then you will start receiving order. So this is something which is a novel initiative and it will benefit people if once it is properly run. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.